In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Wix website easily. This tutorial is perfect for those who are new to Wix or just need a quick refresher on the saving process. So let's dive right in and get you comfortable with saving your work, ensuring all your web design efforts are safely stored and easily accessible anytime you need them. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you've already logged into your Wix account, you should see a section labelled My Sites, showcasing all the websites you've started working on. Select the site that you intend to save, and this will take you directly into the editor. This area is essentially your creative workspace within Wix, allowing you to perform tweaks, add features, and amend your site's layout. Once you are inside the Wix website editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice two key buttons, Save and Publish. It's crucial to remember that while Publish makes your site live or updates any changes on the live site, hitting Save is about securing your ongoing work. So without rushing to make things live just yet, let's focus on the Save button. Click on the Save button. This action is a straightforward step, yet is vital for safeguarding your current progress. Think of it as creating a checkpoint in a game. All your design choices, edits, additions, and configurations are now safely stored. This is particularly useful if you're making frequent adjustments or trying out new design elements and need to ensure nothing gets lost inadvertently. It can be especially reassuring if you step away from your project or experience any browser hiccups. Once you click Save, Wix might prompt you with a confirmation or offer options to name different versions of your site if you've made substantive changes. Giving your saves distinctive names can be a handy way to track significant changes or test new ideas without overwriting prior work. If needed, you could revert back to a previous save, allowing you the freedom to experiment with your site's look and feel without any lasting commitment to those changes. And there you have it. Knowing how and when to save your work efficiently will not only streamline your process but also provide peace of mind, knowing everything is securely stored. By routinely saving, you ensure that all your hard work in building and perfecting your site remains just as you intended. Remember to practice this often, especially during major edits, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.